Hi everyone. How to estimate the training target function based upon the approximation algorithm. Here, the term successor of B denotes the next board state following the board state B for which it is again the program's turn to move. That means if the player 1 is moving one step, then player 2 will move one step. Then based upon this feedback, that means based upon the movement of the player B, then player A will again start its move. So here the system considers the successor, that means next step based upon the step of opponent's move. So here the VCAP is represents the learner's current approximation to the target function V. Using this information, assign the training value V train of B for any intermediate board state as given below. In the previous video, we have seen to calculate the training value for the intermediate step is very difficult by using the indirect experience. So we will use temporal difference learning. In the temporal difference learning, we will get the feedback from opponent. That means the movement of the this coin based upon the movement of another coin, that means the player B. So this is the player A. Player A's next movement depends upon the player B's movement. So based upon that, here the which is given in this figure, the player A's movement is based upon the player B's movement. Then next step will take by the player A. So that's what given here. So the approximate next step of this board state is assigned into the V train of B based upon the player B's movement. So here the V train of B1 is approximation value of the B3. So you look at that, player A is moved here, then player B is moved. So this value, this is the next step, this is the successor to the B1. Like that, V of B2 is assigned as V dash V cap of B4. So the player B's next step is assigned into the this B2 board state 2. So this is calculating, that means estimating the move, that move either helping for winning the game or killing the opponent. Once the game is played, the training data is generated by this learning system for next move. So here the training samples are very useful to learn the experience for itself. For each training example, the corresponding target function is calculated. So here the target function for each board state is calculated and assigned into the corresponding training sample. Thanks for watching.